Come on, kuya.
Practicing ang basketball.
Wow.
Para pag-big mo.
You could be a basketball player and then you're gonna be...
Wow. See, meron kang tagahanga. Paano si ano? Matthew.
You have to bounce it. You can't... If you do this, if you keep on doing that, that's football. No.
Foul.
That's not, it's not baseball. That means you're, you can't do that. You have to bounce.
May kumuha ka na sinelas mong ayos, naka-medyas ka pa.
Okay, Pam, I'll do it.
Brandon,
Shoot!
yay! Ikaw, Matthew.
Yay! May tagahanga ah.
Yay! Oh, Matthew naman, Matthew naman. Yay!